Manipur Congress Committee na Pmgsy scheme gi makada lambi thong semnaba thadarakpa lupa crore lising ama chartered ki senfam asi lana sizna khibagi matangda CBI da thigat hanaba New Delhi da ngasi Congress ki MPCC President Kaisam Meghachandra amadi MPCC ki spokesperson Advocate N Bhupen da yauna Prime Minister da memorandum ama pisankhre Memorandum aduda Pmgsy gi makada thadarakiba lupa crore lising ama chartered ki road scam asigi matangda CBI gi inquiry ama tawhanba masida Chanariba Minister inquiry loidifawba Council of Minister da yawhandaba loinana Chanariba Minister Chief Engineer Contractor Department ki mioi singi mathakta FIR ama register toba lambi sembagi mingda sizinnakraba senfam sing laukhatpa ga loinana contractor adu Chahi tara blacklist tauba sariba amadi saba loiraba lambi singi video edit taudabida lenga ki website ta thagatpa hairiba chingba wafam kya yauri masiga mari lenana MPCC ki president Kaisam Meghachandra na phongdorakpada Pmgsy gi makada Manipur gi chingi mafam singda lambi thong semna ba haiduna thadarapa lupa crore lising ama satret ki senfam asi lawthokre adubu thabakti amata paikhatlamdre hari Magna Fongdokibada, Mahakyauna Congress ki team ama media amasung village authority ga loinana Churachandpur gi manung hanjanba mafam singda amadi none district ta chatuna yengsluba matamda thabak amata paikhalamdre adubu contractor singna department ki mioi singa manaduna yamlava senfam singa si lawthokibaga loinana thabak suba lore haiduna work completion certificate piram la hake mahangna makha tarduna Pmgsy gi road scam asi CBI na yengsan haningbagi apamba phongdokpaga loinana masida Chanariba contractor chahi tara rom blacklist toba amadi atai department ki official singi mathakta law gi oiba thabak laukhanaba wafam thamki
As per the completed list, I have taken inspection to the hill areas. First of all, I started my inspection with the Congress team in Churachandpur district. It's a very remote area. So there, what happened is that all the money has been withdrawn in collusion with the engineers and contractors. Though the completion certificate has been given by the department, work in the ground is zero. No work at all. We have been done our inspection with the local media team, geotex, drone machines we have used. There is no work at all. It is reported from the village authority also